Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my recent hair care and skincare favorites. I don't typically talk about hair care on my channel, but I wanted to incorporate it in this video and share just like the ultimate things that I need from my hair care, and then also share some skincare products that I think I've just been particularly enjoying using lately. So if you like these types of videos, be sure to give this one a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So let's go ahead, hop into the video. First, I'm going to start with skincare. The first product I want to share with you is from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Max Complexion Correction Pad. If you guys saw a couple videos ago, I ran out of my UFO like Sunday Riley oil, and that's super duper expensive. So I got this. It's like half of what a full size would be of the Sunday Riley oil. But basically these are soft textured acne pads, and they have 2% salicylic acid, 10% glycolic acid complex. It's for normal to oily combination skin. Basically I use this whenever I have like a whole lot of just gunk happening in my skin. It doesn't burn. It's just if you have sensitive skin, I would not say that this is for you. Then when it says Max Complexion, it totally is very, very, very strong. So if you do have sensitive skin, I would be careful with this product because it is very, very strong. However, it has a really nice fresh peach Bellini scent that kind of overpowers the alcohol scent in this product. I don't use this a whole lot. Like I said, it's primarily on days that I'm just like, man, my skin is so gunked up with like stuff from wearing makeup all the time. This helps give my skin kind of like a breather and just get in there, do the hard work to clear out some of that congested areas on my skin. And I really, really like these for that. So I wanted to share this with you. Online, it has like a ton of really great reviews, and I would agree with it. That's one half of why I so sparingly use these. And the other half is they are kind of expensive. So I don't want to go through them too fast. It only comes with 60 pads. So if I used one of these a day, number one, I think it would dry my skin out a little bit. Also, this would only last me 2 months, and it's just kind of expensive for a skincare product to only last 2 months. You know, I really, really like this when I feel like my skin needs to be declogged from all of the gunk that comes along with the makeup. All right, this is kind of similar. This is from The Ordinary. This is the AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. So this is like an oil. It makes your skin look very pink and weird and almost like you rubbed raspberries all over your face, but it's a 10-minute exfoliating peel. This is not for sensitive skin. Even though I do tend to have sensitive skin, I don't know why this doesn't really bother me. This makes my skin look super clean after I use it. So what I do is I take off all my makeup, I apply this. It's very thin, and you just apply it like an oil onto your skin, leave it on for 10 minutes. I would not recommend using it more than 10 minutes because it is a super strong like facial peel. But when I take this off, my skin is super shiny, but it's more like clean, squeaky shiny rather than dewy or oily, if that makes any sense. I really, really like this product again for going in, getting my skin kind of overall cleared, and it's just a great, like, really powerful solution to help clear up problematic skin. I really, really like it, and I also love the price tag. The Ordinary is a super affordable brand, and I think you can get it at Sephora and Ulta now, which is super awesome. This is from Elta MD. This is the UV Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 45. This is the only sunscreen that I use that I find that doesn't break me out, and it also doesn't make me super oily. It says at the bottom for oily to normal skin, which I really like. When I first started using sunscreens, I didn't realize that sunscreen could be for a particular type of skin, but I don't find that this gives me a super bad white cast when I am doing filming or taking photos. I don't find that this makes me super greasy, which a lot of sunscreens can tend to do. If you have oily skin and you add sunscreen on top of your moisturizer, it just makes you look like a grease ball. This doesn't do that, and it doesn't break me out, which I love. This has lasted me probably like a year, and it comes with 3 ounces of product. This is a super good sunscreen. I would recommend it if you are like me and you have kind of problematic acne prone skin and you don't want something to break you out. I definitely try this sunscreen because it's worked pretty well for me so far. All right, let's move on to hair care. The first product I want to talk about is this Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. This, out of every hair care product I'm going to mention, is probably my favorite. So this guy does 3 different things. Well, 4, I guess. It smooths, shines your hair, it provides heat protection, and it's a detangling conditioning spray. That is a lot in this tiny little bottle. It's crazy. But I really love using this after I get out of the shower when my hair is still damp. I spray this into my hair, and then I go ahead and use a brush to brush through my hair. I do have pretty tangly hair, and so it can be a pain in the butt to like run my brush through my hair. It's gotten better now that it's shorter, but it's still a pain in the butt, especially when you go day after day after day and you don't wash your hair. It can get pretty tangly, and then you go and wash it and it just gets worse. I find that this does a really good job at smoothing and shining my hair. It smells really good, and I love the heat protection aspect of it because this is the only product I use in my hair consistently when I get out of the shower. I only wash my hair like 2 to 3 times a week. I use this every single time I wash my hair. I really like that this has a heat protection component to it because that means that it helps with whenever I flat iron my hair or curl my hair. It just adds that extra protection that I wouldn't get if I had to use like 7 different products. I'm not someone that goes overboard on products on my hair. I just want something quick. Like, it's a lot for me to use one product, but the fact that this is only one product and has all of the different things that I want in a hair product just in this guy, that's awesome. So if you haven't tried this, I definitely would recommend it. It's not super expensive and it just smells so yummy. Anyway, yeah, favorite hair care product of life. Of life. Next is the VERB Ghost Oil. This is a Moringa blend weightless hair oil. So this helps smooth out your hair. I put this primarily like from here down. I don't put it close to my scalp because it will make my hair greasy. Out of all the hair oils that I've tried and that I have, this is my favorite. I notice that my hair does not get nearly as poofy or frizzy when I use this. Same thing. So I use this right after I get out of the shower on my damp hair, and then I brush through, and then I add a little bit of this still to my damp hair, and when I blow dry it, my hair is so pretty. I don't know, I just have a hard time believing in hair oils. It seems like it's a lot of money for not a whole lot of result, but this one I really do see a difference when I use it and when I don't use it, so I'd recommend this one. And it doesn't look like a lot of product, but this lasts forever. Like, I've had this for years, so I really like this hair oil. All right, last product is from Surface. This is expensive. I bought it when I was going to a salon that had this in their salon. You know how you like go, and you're like, I'll just get my hair done and it'll be expensive, but then that's it. No, like, they try to sell their stuff to you and the stuff is not cheap. So I got this along with their shampoo and conditioner and also a hair oil. I bought like the whole thing. First off, I love their shampoo and conditioner. If I could like repurchase that over and over, I totally would. It's super good for hydrating really dry and like damaged hair, and it smells so yummy, kind of like chocolate. It smells so good. But then this is the standout product for me. This is a curls smoothing cream. So it says blow dry, smooth, shine, moisturize. This has lasted me a long time also, but basically this has cocoa butter and babassu seed oil along with sugarcane to nourish and soften curls for long lasting smooth hair. This is what I use in my hair every time I curl it. So same, I get out of the shower, I apply this guy, and then before I blow dry it, I add this to the ends of my hair, and it just makes a huge difference. So this does a really good job at making sure that my curls last a long time when I do curl my hair, and not making my curls look super frizzy or like a wild, untamed mane kind of thing. If I could stick to 3 hair products for the rest of my life, it would probably be these. This smells exactly like the shampoo and conditioner. It smells like cocoa butter, like pure chocolate. But yeah, I would definitely try this guy out if you are into curling your hair and you want something to help smooth and tame down your hair, but for still making your curls look really, really nice and feel super soft. I would recommend this guy. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Let me know down in the comments what are some of your favorite hair care or skincare products. I just wanted to include a few. I do have a video coming maybe Friday, I think. That's my updated skincare routine. So I'll be sharing more in depth about my skincare and like the new products I've been using in that video. But I just wanted to throw a few in here. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what are some of your favorite hair care and skincare products at the moment. And I love you guys so much. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.